welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in VEXcode. So here it says Code Viewer. This is in Python. So this video is going to be about turning accurately. Description. This example will show how to use different drivetrain turning blocks to control the robot playground grid map. So first, we're going to do turn right. Then wait 4 seconds.
So it'll turn right for 4 seconds.
Then we need to stop driving. So it'll turn right for 4 seconds, then stop driving for 1 second. Then we're going to turn left for 180 degrees. Oopsies, wrong block. Turn left for 180 degrees. For 1, then wait 1 second. Oops.
So after it turns left for 180 degrees, it's going to wait 1 second.
Then turn to rotation 0 degrees.
So it will turn back to when it started, like facing forward.
So see, the Python codes add more codes when we add more codes here. So let's go to the playground now. So it will run all the Python code because the Python code is same as the codes behind the playground. Let's run it. So first, it will turn right for 4 seconds. 3, 4. Then turn left 180. Now it's going back to the 0.
So 0 is just like when it started. Let's do it in 3D mode.
Okay. Good. Okay. Turn right for 4 seconds.
Turn left for 180 degrees. And then turn to rotation 0.
Yay! It worked! And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.